Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a rocket Espresso Milano machine, and now this machine was brought here because it just kept leaking air through here, and we also did a tune-up in this machine. So we ended up replacing the vacuum release valve. Is that little thing that you can kind of see over there? That's the vacuum release valve that we replaced, and as you can see right now it's not leaking and it's a full bar pressure. We also did a tune-up on this machine, replacing the gasket, and as you can see this gasket is completely in bad condition, as well as the shower screen very dirty. Just for comparison, a gasket feels like this, so you definitely know that one needs to be replaced. It's not even bouncing anymore. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're just gonna test it out. Unfortunately we don't have the tray, so it's really hard to kind of like test the machine. So I'm just gonna put it up. We're not using the machine portafilter, we're using another customer machine portafilter, so making a mess. Unfortunately, we really did a mess in there. It's kind of hard to do it without a tray. But it was a nice shot nonetheless. Too bad water fell on it. And now for the steamer. As you can see, steaming beautifully. I might drink that. There you have it. Rocket Espresso Milano working once again. Thank you for your kind